So just going to clean out this PS4 Slim that I got. It's a bit dusty inside, so yeah, not really a tutorial. So there's some dust here. And these vents here. There we go. So this side doesn't look so bad. I guess I can put the air compressor on it. And then we just got to pop this case off. There we go. To get this off, I think we have to take these two screws here, which is a T9 Torx, and it's also got the part a little bit of a hole in the middle, just because there's a bit of a part sticking up in the screw that it has to go over. So take this off. This here too. Just going to take this off. Take this off. So take that off, and then I think take that out too. I think we possibly might have to take these screws off here and these three here too. One, two, yeah. Also, you can get a can of compressed air if you don't have an air compressor. Possibly use a vacuum cleaner too. Okay, so gotta lift this here. How do we get this out? So I just took this bottom cover off, and all I had to do was take the one screw on the side here, and there a black T8 or T9 I guess, and it may be covered by a sticker. And then yeah, so there's a lot of insects in here. I'll just see. There's one. Okay, so I also did this because to get to the to take the power supply out, I may have to undo like a screw somewhere on here, but I'm glad I took it apart anyway because it's quite dusty. So yeah, don't really want to use my air compressor here. I'll just try and clean it out as I can with a brush, I guess. Alright, so for this model, these plastic bits that hold it in, I kind of have to take the edge off them so that it will lift up, and apparently you just do that with pliers or screwdriver. See this one here, I got it pretty good. I'll show you. So that lifts up past that now, and these other ones, not quite, still kind of stuck. So just kind of, it's easy to kind of scratch this metal part too, but you don't want to take off too much of this, just because when you put it back on, you don't really want it to be too loose. But this here, as you can see, it's perfect. It will lift off, but it's not too loose. Right, let's put it back together. Put this in.